This is my HP Envy being unboxed. Okay, honey.
Time 13:17. 10.
Oh, that explains what that was for. That hole right there.
Yeah. Okay.
Makes a lot of sense. Box over there. The top. Okay, let's look. See, this box is undone too. These boxes are not the best boxes. I will say that. Okay, look, there's two on the bottom.
Okay, so what we thought were on the sides were actually on the bottom.
Yes. So I think you can actually pull the computer up. Yeah, we were far off, weren't we?
Pretty far fucking off.
Don't say that, I'm filming.
Who's gonna watch this?
Well, me when we have to do this again. Okay, so it was put in there like this. And this one was put in there like that. Let's just leave them in here, you know? That would be a really good idea. Dun, 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 dun. And it went like this. This is good to know. And this one is the. See how those?
Yep. Yeah, that makes sense.
And they were both there. I just put it back the way that it was, honey. And then let's do this. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. And then
Okay, pull the bottom. Pull the bottom.
pull the bottom what?
the bottom,
Pull the
yeah.
bottom off. Okay. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. I've got these two guys. I did that one well last time. Definitely want to save that. You just keep this in the box. Goes in there like that. And then this one is just separate. And just fold it up. Okay. So that's that. I'm gonna shove this one right back up. Okay. This one is the, well, I don't know how to get it undone. Here we go. Packaged nicely. We'll put it back in there. No, not that. I meant the bag,
Oh.
sweetie. Stop. Okay. Okay.